Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about the basic heterocycling ring or nucleus used in the medicinal chemistry. So first of all, what is heterocyclic ring? So as you all know, hetero means different, means the ring contains different atom other than carbon like nitrogen, oxygen or sulfur is heterocyclic ring. So first we will discuss about three-membered and four-membered ring which contain heteroatoms and used in medicinal chemistry. So the first ring is aziridine. Always remember whenever as the word comes, it means that the ring contain nitrogen, or whenever oxy come, it means the ring contain oxygen. So first ring is aziridine. It is three-membered ring and it contain nitrogen as it heteroatom. Aziridine containing drugs are thiotepa, mitomycin and azinomycins. Second one is azitidine. It is four-membered ring containing nitrogen. Here it also contains the word Ag. So the example of drug containing azitidine ring is azolnidipine, which is a calcium channel blocker. Third one is oxirane. It is three-membered ring containing oxygen as heteroatom. The next one is oxetane. It is four-membered ring containing oxygen. It usually occur in natural product like paclitaxel. Then five-membered ring containing heteroatom. First one is pyrrole. Pyrrole is five-membered ring containing nitrogen as heteroatom. Drug contain pyrrole ring is atorvastatin, tolmetin, aterolac. Second one is furan. It is five-membered ring containing oxygen as heteroatom. Various example of furan. The important one is nitrofurantoin and furazolidine. The next ring is thiophene. Here's the other thing you should remember. Whenever the word thio comes, it indicates the presence of sulfur. So the drug containing thiophene is ticonazole. Next one is imidazole. Many drugs contain imidazole. Imidazole is five-membered ring containing two nitrogen atoms. The most important drug containing imidazole is cotrimazole. Next one is pyrazole. So the one thing you should remember is pyrazole and imidazole both contain two nitrogen, but the position of nitrogen differ. So the drug containing pyrazole is celecoxib. Next one is oxazole. It is five-membered ring containing both oxygen and nitrogen. Oxa indicate the presence of oxygen and aza indicate the presence of nitrogen. Next ring is isoxazole. Isoxazole also contain oxygen and nitrogen, but the position differ. Example of isoxazole is cloxacillin, which is a beta-lactamase resistance antibiotic. Next one is thiazole. It contains sulfur as well as nitrogen. I have already told you that the thia indicate the presence of sulfur and azo indicate the presence of nitrogen. Example of thiazole is bleomycin, which is a antineoplastic agent, and ritonavir. Next one is thiadiazole. Here again, thia indicate the presence of sulfur and azole indicate the presence of nitrogen. Diazole, which indicate the presence of two nitrogen. Example of thiadiazole is acetazolamide, which is an antidiuretic drug, and sulfametazole. Next one is dioxolane. Oxo indicate the presence of oxygen and di indicate the presence of two oxygen. The drug containing dioxolane is ketoconazole, which is very important. Next is six-membered ring containing heteroatom. First one is pyridine. Six-membered ring containing one nitrogen is pyridine. There are various examples of drugs containing pyridine, which include antiviral, antidiabetic, and antioxidant. Next one is pyrimidine. The six-membered ring containing two nitrogen is pyrimidine. Example of drug containing pyrimidine is zidovudine, 5-fluorouracil, and propyl thiouracil. Next one is pyrazine. Pyrazine also contain two nitrogen, but the position of nitrogen differ. Drug contain pyrazine ring is antitubercular drug, diuretic drug, and antitumor drug. Next one is morpholine. Morpholine is six-membered ring containing nitrogen as well as oxygen. The example of morpholine ring is timolol. Another drug is piperidine. Pyridine and piperidine is somehow same, but the difference is Pyridine is unsaturated. Unsaturated means it contains double bond, and piperidine is saturated. It contains only single bonds. And the drug containing piperidine ring is minoxidil, raloxifene, and meperidine. Next one is piperazine. Piperazine is also same as pyrazine, but piperazine ring is saturated. Cyclazine contains the piperazine rings. Next ring is hexahydropyrimidine. It is saturated pyrimidine. Hexahydropyrimidine is very important because all the barbituric acid derivative contain hexahydropyrimidine like primidone. And the last one is 1,4-dihydropyridine. Calcium channel blocker nifedipine contain 1,4-dihydropyridine. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.